Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna learn about Chinese basic sentence order. So, the structure is composed by subject, verb, and object. And Chinese verb never changes its form, no matter what and who the subject is, and no matter it is present tense, past tense, or future tense. Chinese verb always has the same form and the same characters. So it's easy for us to learn Chinese verb because we just need to learn one word and then we can use it for all of the subject and all of the tenses. The same with the object, it also never changes its form, no matter it is plural or singular. Now let's start with these two most commonly used verb. The first one is 是, which means to be. So it is, am, or are. Let's make some sentences.他是中国人。他是中国人。So, do you guys still remember? 他 is she, right? And 中国 is China. And 人 is person or people. So 中国人 is Chinese people. So 她是中国人 it means she is Chinese. The second sentence is 他们都是学生。都 means all, like they all. 他们都是 are 学生。学生 means student. So 他们都是学生 means they are all students. So as we can see from these sentences, Chinese verb always has the same form and the same character no matter the subject is. And the object can be used for both plural and singular. And it has the same form and the same character. Now let's learn this one. This character is 有, which means to have, like to own something.你有钱，你有钱，你 is you, right? 有 to have, 钱 is money. So the sentence means you have money. The second sentence is 我有一个男朋友 or 我有一个女朋友. So, E means one, right? 个 here is the classifier, or we normally said it as measure word. So, 个 is one of the classifier or measure word in Chinese, and it represents measure word for person or people. 男 means male or boy, and 女 means female. And 朋友 means friend. So, 男朋友 means boyfriend, and 女朋友 means girlfriend. So, this sentence means I have one boyfriend or one girlfriend. Now the last sentence for you. 他有5个好朋友。5 means 5, and as we learned before, 个 is the measure word for person. 朋友 is friend, and 好 means good. So, 好朋友means best friend, like good friends. So this sentence means he has 5 best friends. Now let's learn other Chinese basic verbs and objects. 你吃米饭，吃 means to eat, and 米饭 means rice. So the sentence means you eat rice. 你吃米饭. The next is 我吃水果。我吃水果。吃 means to eat, right? And 水果 means fruit. So the sentence means I eat fruit. The next we still use the verb 吃. So I'm not gonna write the subject and the verb. I'm gonna write the object. 面包 is bread. And the next one is 面条 面条 which means noodles. So now we have 4 objects that we can use with 吃. 你吃米饭，我吃水果，我吃面包，我吃面条。Now another verb is 喝。喝 means drink and 水 means water. So he drinks water. Another object that we can use with 喝 is 牛奶。牛奶 means milk. And this character 牛 means cow, like the animal cow, and 奶 is the milk. Another object is 茶. 茶 which means tea. So 他喝水，他喝牛奶，他喝茶。Another sentence is 爸爸 means father. 做 is to make. And 饭 is a meal. So basically it's like father cooks a meal. This sentence means father makes a meal or father cooks a meal. The next one is 妈妈买菜。妈妈 means mother. 买 is to buy. So it's mother buys. 菜 is vegetables. 妈妈买菜 Mother buys vegetables. The next one. 我们学习汉语。学习 is to learn. And you guys still remember what is Hanyu? Hanyu means Chinese language. So we learn Chinese. Another one is 你们说中文。说 is to talk or to speak, and 中文 is another way to say Chinese language. So this sentence means you talk in Chinese or you speak Chinese. The next one is 看 means to look or to watch. 书 is book. And in this sentence, 看 also means to read. So this sentence, 他们看书 means they read books. So it's like they look at books, which also the same with they read books. So before we finish today's lesson, let's review some of the vocabularies that we just learned. Okay, let's go. 是有吃喝做饭学习说看中国中国人钱男朋友女朋友好朋友米饭水果面包面条水牛奶茶菜中文书 So that's all for today, guys, and we'll continue this lesson with other useful vocabularies in the next video that we will upload soon. So stay tuned, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next lesson. 加油!